The aim of this video is to answer question 8. What is the length of the sloping edge in millimeters of this triangular prism? So if you look at this triangular prism, if I want the sloping edge, it is that side here of the triangle. So if I just draw the front triangle like this, I want the sloping edge x. I know that's 75 millimeters. And then this 8 centimeters. Now remember there's 10 centimeters in a millimeter. So that's 80 millimeters. And I need to halve that. So that gives me 40 millimeters. For the other side, since I only am dealing with the sides and there's nothing about angles, I can use Pythagoras thanks to the 90-degree angle. So according to Pythagoras, the hypotenuse squared is equal to the sum of the other two sides squared. You are used to the formula c squared equal a squared plus b squared, where the hypotenuse is c and the other two sides are a and b. Then you work it out on your calculator, and x squared will give you 7,225. The next step, you need to backtrack the square, so you take a square root. So x is the square root of 7,225. That works out to be precisely 85. So that means that the sloping edge has a length of 85 millimeters, and that matches to option C, and that is it. Thank you.